another episode of In My Kitchen by Doris. So today I want to show you how to make this all-purpose seasoning that is super super amazing. It will go for almost every meal and almost every grill. What I normally do is I use this and then I add extra ingredients if necessary. So this just what you will need to make this special fresh grilled seasoning, and always have it in my fridge and you will love it. So just pay attention to the ingredients and do not forget to check the description box because I'm going to leave more details there. If you have more questions, please leave it in the comment section. And if this was helpful to you, please do not forget to like, share it, and subscribe. That's the way of showing me support so I can bring back more recipes to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. And remember, God loves you. Bye.